All practitioners of the Buddhadharma are one's brothers and sisters, especially in Vajrayana. When one receives empowerments and Vajrayana instructions, one establishes a profound karmic connection with all participants present, called samaya, sacred commitment. It's very important to keep the commitment pure, and therefore it's crucial to see all those one has received teachings with purely. The practice of regarding fellow practitioners purely is very important and must be upheld at all times. Unfortunately, this isn't always the case. One criticizes one's Vajra brothers and sisters, feels jealous, is contemptuous, etc. Personal concerns even determine the atmosphere and activities in Dharma centers. As a result, many people argue and fight. In such cases, the samaya is damaged. A severe breach of the samaya brings on birth in the lower realms of existence. Therefore, it is important to uphold the commitment towards one's brothers and sisters in Vajrayana.